A Kansas City man is in jail after leading police on a car chase early this morning in Lawrence. KSNT News has exclusive video of that arrest.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Dramatic there. Around 1 this morning, Douglas County deputies stopped a man for a traffic violation near 26th and Iowa. A deputy approached the driver and noticed an AR-15 rifle in the front of the car. Now, when other law enforcement showed up, that's when the man took off, leading police on a chase. Deputies say the man hit a parked car and almost hit a person who was walking. Police say the driver is 26-year-old Vince Wyatt. You can see him there. Wyatt was arrested for fleeing from police, criminal possession of a firearm, and other charges.